Today's Daily Dose of Math was inspired by my students. Sometimes, when class is about to end, I point at the clock on the wall and I talk to the student about what time it is. And some of my students say to me, "I don't know how to read that." I was a little surprised by this at first, but then I thought about it and realized, well, analog clocks are old-fashioned pieces of equipment, and students are so used to digital clocks that they might not think it's very important to learn how to tell time with an analog clock. If you have this type of clock, it's a little bit easier, and some of those same people would be able to say, "Oh, okay, it's 3:30. But then there's this type of clock. This is the type that has Roman numerals instead of Arabic numbers. And a lot of students are going to think, well, now it's even worse. You're taking an old piece of technology I don't really want to learn how to use, and you're putting numbers on it that are another old-fashioned way of expressing numbers that I don't necessarily want to learn how to use." But Roman numerals are taught in the curriculum where I teach and in a lot of other curriculums as well. The only letters we use in Roman numerals are these: I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. I'll move these two clocks out of the way and show you what these letters stand for. 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1,000. By combining these letters, we're able to express any number up to 3,999. For instance, right now it's the year 2021, and that's expressed this way: MMXXI. The MM represents 2000, because M is 1,000, and there are two M's. The XX represents 20, and the I represents 1, 2021. That's quite a straightforward Roman numeral, but some of them are a little bit more confusing to look at. Like this one. This is actually the largest number that can be expressed with Roman numerals, 3,999. When Roman numerals were developed, it wasn't seen as necessary to express bigger numbers than this. And let's admit, one of the rare things we do with Roman numerals is to express a year. And we haven't had a year go as high as the 3000s yet, so we haven't needed to. But this is how we put together the letters in 3,999 so that we can read the number. The MMM represents 3,000. M is 1,000, so 3 M's is 3,000. But then we get CM, and that is a new technique, which is called subtractive notation. CM means 100 less than 1,000. The C is the 100, the M is the 1,000. Therefore, when we see CM, we do 1,000 minus 100, and we get 900. CM is how we express 900. Subtractive notation is used also for the XC part and the IX part in this number. XC is 10 less than 100, so therefore is 90. And IX is 1 less than 10, therefore is 9. We put together the 3,000, the 900, the 90, and the 9, and we have the number 3,999. This is a brief introduction to Roman numerals, and is today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like, subscribe, and share.